In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make up to $2,550 per day building simple WordPress websites. In fact, building WordPress websites is how I actually got my start online. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so that you're notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. Hello, I'm Alston with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income with affiliate marketing, and today I want to help you. So as I mentioned in this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how you can make up to $2,500 per day with WordPress websites. WordPress and building WordPress websites is how I got my start making money online. In fact, I was actually charging too little. I was using a website called Thumbtack, and with Thumbtack you have to place bids, and I would underbid. I would charge as little as $300 for websites, but my friend actually heard that I was doing these websites, and he charged his friend $2,000, $2,500 in fact, for the exact same website. And let me show you exactly what I was doing and how you can find leads and sales fast. As you know, WordPress is a content management system that sits on top of your web hosting software. You can install WordPress themes and configure those themes to the specifications so that you can make money relatively quickly. Here are some examples of basic websites that I'd created in the past in order to make money with WordPress websites. In fact, what I did early on is I purchased this domain name and built this website here just to show people that I had the knowledge and experience of building a website. So what I did was I spent some time, I built this site ahead of time, and then I demoed it as an example. As you can see here, this is a basic WordPress website and theme based on a Chinese restaurant. So basically what you do is you go out, find a client, and then offer to build a simple 5-page website. You should charge anywhere between $500 and $2,500 for your services. You can charge more if you want, but more is probably going to be required. If you charge up to $2,500, you can give them a simple WordPress theme, and you can have them give you all of the information. So what I would do is I'd reach out to a company and say, hey, I'm willing to build a WordPress website. Have you seen any websites that you like and you want your website to look like? Usually the websites that they liked were WordPress themes, and I could just check and verify that and find a similar theme. I would also ask them for content for their homepage, their about us, their contact us, product and services, and then one additional page. They give you all of the information that they need. You just configure it using a theme builder like bakery theme or beaver theme, some of those beaver builders or whatever it's called. And then you're up and running. You can get these pushed out in 3 to 4 hours. Now that you have a basic overview and understanding of how to get this done, let's go ahead and take a deep dive. So the first thing that I would do is I would go over to a website. It used to be called Reference USA. Now it's called Data Exile. You can use this website if you're in the United States 100% for free. Go to your local library and ask for a library card, and you can go and find businesses that don't have a website. Let me show you how to do that real quick. You'll just click on US businesses, go in, and you can enter in advanced search. Under advanced search, enter in your zip code or county, whichever works for you. I'm going to enter in county, select the state, Wisconsin. I'm going to go down to my county and then click view results. Once you review these results, you're going to get a ton of information about your county or your target audience. What you can do is you can then download this information. You click on download. The only drawback to this website is you can only download 25 lines at a time. So we click on download. Then you can ask for a detailed report. That's going to give us everything. Click download records, and then that downloads to our computer. Once we open this up, once we open this up, what we can do is make this increase the size. But what we're looking for is we're looking for companies that don't have websites. And we know the companies that don't have websites because they will say they don't have website. Let me control find here, website. The other cool thing about this spreadsheet is that it gives you an idea of how much they're spending on their different services. So if they have a small budget for, let's say, internet and web design, for example, it says computer expenses. If they have a relatively small budget, you can adjust your pricing that way. If we scroll over here, I am looking for let's see, Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, and this could be another opportunity as well. You offer to build an entire package for $2 or $3 grand. You can make money that way. Let's see if they have. All right, so here we go. I finally found it. And as you can see, a number of these companies don't have a website. So what you could do, the companies that do have websites might not be very good. So I've clicked on that, and you can see this is their website. If you think you can build another one, you can reach out to them because they already understand the value of having a website. You can reach out to them and say, hey, I want to improve your website, and I'll only charge you $800. If you can demonstrate that you have the ability to build a website that looks good and resonates with whatever it is that they're selling, they'll bring you on. So as you can do, what I would recommend is create two lists. One of people that have websites that just look bad, and two, people that don't have websites at all. The people that don't have websites at all, it's going to be a little bit more challenging to convince them that they need a website in 2021. If they don't have a website already, they're probably not going to get one, or not in a hurry to get one. Again, what you can do is you can go through and just look at these different websites, see if they're any good. If they're not very good, you can improve them. So this is the easiest way. One trick that you can take advantage of with this database is you can actually sort by business type. So what you could do in theory is you could build, let's say, a restaurant WordPress theme, and then you could reach out to all of the restaurants in your area and offer to build a WordPress website. The reason why this works is because you already show them that you have an understanding of how to build out a theme that is for them, or build out a website that's designed for them, and it'll actually make it much easier for them to say yes, and it'll make it much easier to make a few changes and then give this website right to them. Another thing that you can do to increase your sales is simply to offer a 30-minute free training. And what I would do is I would actually record a training, put it on YouTube as unlisted, and send them the link and say, hey, look, just watch this training if you have any questions. This training will show you step by step how to get started. All right, to sort your companies by business, just simply go over to charts, go down to businesses here, and as you can see, there are 224 restaurants. What we could do is we could open this up and potentially target these restaurants. So what I would do is I'd check all of these boxes, and then, like I said, the most you can check is 25 at a time, and then download this to your computer and then reach out to each one. If you wanted to go a step further, you could actually build out websites for each individual person, each individual company, add their name, their logo, and then when you present it to them, they can visually see their website in your hands. You just need to transfer it over, do a little bit of work and transfer it over. But this is a good way to go because you can see who has a website, who doesn't, whose website needs work, and how you can improve it. And then, like I said, you can charge up to $2,500 for this work. Now, let's figure out how you can do this quicker. What you can do is jump over to a website called ThemeForest, themeforest.net, and you can find different WordPress themes that meet the customer's requirements. For example, if we're looking at restaurants, you can simply type restaurants and then find a WordPress theme that you like. You can sort by best sellers, you can sort by best match. Really, it's up to you. Simply purchase the theme, download it to your computer, make a few changes, and then give it to your customer. As I mentioned a little bit earlier, if you ask your customer, hey, pick out 3 or 4 websites that you like the look and feel of, say look and feel, they will send you a link, and then you can just take that link and go over to a website, we'll type in which WordPress theme is that, and then you can just enter it in, and they will tell you which WordPress theme it is. Then you can try and find it, buy it, download it, and there you go. So really, this could take maybe 3 or 4 hours. You can go back and forth with the customer, make sure that they're happy with it, and then deliver the project. One thing that I recommend, if you're going to use an existing site, add a plugin called Coming Soon so that the customer can't see that the website's being updated and changed. If they see that the website's being updated and changed, they get nervous and antsy, and they want to know what's going on. So I always throw up the Coming Soon image and then make some changes and then let them see it. Again, you can make up to $2,500 with simple 5-page WordPress websites using these various themes. Make sure you find themes that are being updated regularly and have good ratings. So you could take home essentially $2,490 if you decide to purchase one of these themes. The only reason why I stopped doing this is, quite frankly, I got tired of dealing with customers having unrealistic expectations, customers changing their mind and what they want at the very end, and customers just not understanding how the internet works. That's the only reason why I stopped doing this, and I no longer create websites for people. Now that you know how to make up to $2,500 with simple WordPress websites, click the first link in the description for my #1 recommended way to start an online business fast. Click the first link in the description and watch a free training to learn step-by-step how to get started building an online business. Go to alstongodbolt.com/start or click the first link in the description. Watch these videos next to learn more tips and tricks to make money online with affiliate marketing. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online with affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.